Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about a continuation of what we did last time. So if you remember, it was all about loosening up, how to start a loose painting, and this one was how to start a loose floral paintings. Now, no, I'm not trying to do these botanical illustrations, and so I'm going to do everything I can do is to say absolutely ridiculous and loose. So here I am. I have my colors ready to go. I have my color wheel ready to go. So it's mostly what we did last time, mostly red. That's the dominant color. And so the dominant color and my warm-ups, these are my practice pieces. So I'm not trying to make a pretty picture here. Practicing, practicing, practicing. My warm-ups, okay? Running around the track, around and around, right? So dominant color. The next color I want to start thinking about will be the focal point color. Look, it has this kind of a blue-green, kind of like a cerulean color. So I'm all set. I have all that down here ready to go. And look at all the different kinds of blues. So I do know that that's going to be my focal point color. I go back up to my color wheel, the two spice colors, purple, blue, kind of ultramarine. And then we have the Kelly green. So down here I have my ultramarine, a little bit of hot pink in there, just to throw it in there to kick it up. And my Kelly green, I have my green. If it's not Kelly enough, I'm going to add more yellow to it. And of course I have my dollops of white and dollops of black. I'm ready to go. And to continue on, if you remember, long brushes, just to stay loose, crazy, right? Long brushes. So the next point of this demo is for me to put in the focal point color. Here we go. I started to earlier. Here's another focal point color, right? Standing back. Standing back. You know, the good thing about standing back is that you see the whole painting rather quickly. And you're kind of like out of control. That's the whole point here, right? And again, this is all about loosening up, not how to tighten up. That's a different video. There you go. Okay, no, I haven't been. There we go. Need a kind of focal point. Right there. It's going to be the focal point. Because it says so right here in my color wheel. I'm going to start adding some white. This is like me playing in the sandbox kind of a thing, you know. Nice. Blue everywhere. A lot more water. So let's put the two spice colors. Spice colors being this blue, dark blue. Add some of this pink in there too. Oh. Well, add it around, and you always put it around the focal point. That's why I call them spice colors. They spice up the focal point. And it's important also to work all over. Oh, at the same time. Don't stay in one place. Remember, this is about loosening up. Pretty far out and crazy, huh? Yeah. Welcome to being a painter. I'll put the shadow in here. I think it's time to put in the shadow table. I have paint everywhere, and that's the way it should be. More water. And now the other spice color, kind of a super Kelly green, so I'm adding more yellow. More yellow. Add some more white in there. Oh, yeah, look at that. Here we go. That's the color I want. Around here. This is called painting. What a great way to start the morning, huh? Loose like this. You have complete freedom to do this every day. Now I want to start putting it in all the other colors. Whew. Maybe some background colors. Here we go. Let's do negative shade painting. This is where we paint the stems, right? Well, I just wanted you to see how I stay loose. There's many ways of staying loose. Long brushes, I'm standing, more water, a lot more paint, but a very limited palette. I stick with my own color wheel. That way, I call it Goof-Proof. If I stick with those colors, I can be wild and crazy. I'm so not finished with these paintings yet. But the whole point was to say absolutely crazy loose. And that's how we did it standing up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed painting. I can't wait to get, maybe I'll continue this one, have one more final step. That's what I'm gonna do. One more final step, so stay tuned and you'll see how I will finish these 6 paintings. Thanks for watching. Hey, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm dreaming about my next workshop in Puerto Vallarta in Mexico, having this coffee early in the morning, sitting on my veranda, looking at the ocean. It's one of my favorite places to go. It's Casa de la Artiste, and you've heard me talk about this. This is a house that we go to, and we stay there, we sleep there, we eat there, we paint there, and just looking over the ocean. It's fantastic. Go to my website so you can see all the details, but remember, it's in January, so hurry up and sign up. I'll see you there.